going to learn about the arrays. So first of all, what is an array? Arrays are collection of the homogeneous elements of the same data types. They are cache friendly and random access in the constant time is easy in an array because in array there is all elements are placed in a sequence form. That's why random access in a constant time is easy. We give static memory allocation to the arrays. That is means that we pre-allocate the memory for the array. Good in search because sequentially formed elements can easily search, and good for sorting because of sequence arrangement. Pre-allocate size of array, that's called static memory allocation. This is an array. These 1 to 7 elements are placed in the array, that's called data. This 0 to 6 elements called index. This 100 to 106, that's called address. Address, here we give address randomly for your knowledge. This is one equation for finding total number of elements in the array, that is last minus first plus 1. And this is a second equation for finding address of any element in the array, that is equal to base address plus total number of elements into bytes. That's bytes is differ from the data types. So let's go forward for 1D arrays and find out the number of elements and the address of the 1D arrays. Here one question. This is an array minus 15 to 15. 4 bytes are given and base address is 100, and we want to find out index number 6th address. So this is an array. We want to find out 6th elements of address. So first of all we have to find out the total number of the element from 0 to 6th index. So that's why we use the equation number of elements equal to last minus first plus 1. So here is last is 6 and first is minus 15. So last is 6 minus 15 plus 1, that is equal to 6 plus 15 plus 1 and equal to 22. That is total number of elements to the 6th element is 22. So finding for address equal to base address for plus total number of elements into bytes. We have bytes 4 and base address is 100. So place the values and solve the equation. 100 plus 22 into 4, that is equal to 100 plus 88. So base address is 188. Sorry, the address of the 6th element is 188. Now going forward to the finding address of 2D arrays. First of all, how 2D array works, let's learn about this. So this is one type of matrix that is also called 2D arrays. This is index number and this is also index number. This represents rows and this represents columns. So here you can see A3 and 4. 3 represents row and 4 represents column. So here here first elements have is 00, second element is 01, third is 02, is 03, and so on. So we are arranging it in a row measure form. So first row, and then second row, and then third row. So first row A00, A01, A02, A03, all the four elements are placed in one block. That is called A0 block. Then second rows is placed after the first row's element. So there's four elements are placed after the first row's elements. So that block is called A1, and after third row's elements are placed, that block is called A2. This is arrangement of row measure form. So how to find out the address of A22? We want to find out the address of A22 for a two-dimensional array. So first of all, one question is arised. What is that question? That is, how many rows are already filled up? So question is arised, how many rows already filled up? So for A22, there's we can say two rows are filled up because of these two value. But we have the equation for this: last minus first plus 1, that is equals to last minus first. We want to find out A22. So last is equal to 2 minus first is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. That is value of rows. Two rows are filled up, and after that this 2 is represents two elements. That's why the answer of this question is two rows and two elements are filled up. So we want to find out after the two rows and two elements value. So for finding it, we want to know base address and the bytes. So they in place value in the equation, and you can find out the address. So we are going to find out universal equation for the 2D arrays. This is a small example of the arrays of any numbers. So here is A of M and N array. We want to find out ith element or jth element's address. So how can I find out the address of these element? So first of all, question is arised, how many rows are filled up before the ith elements? That is simple. I minus 1 rows are filled up. And how many columns are filled up before the jth element? That is easy. J minus 1 columns are filled up. So you can see here 0 to j minus 1 occupied. That's why we have total number of columns are j, and 0 to I minus 1 rows are occupied. That means we have I rows filled up. So I rows into n elements plus j is the total number of elements that is filled up. So final equation of address is equal to base address plus I into n plus j into w. W represents bytes. So here is a question to find out 2D arrays address. Here is an address from -5 to 5 and -5 to 5, where bytes are 2 1000 and we want to find out address of A00. So how to find out the address of A00? First of all, you have to find out how many rows and columns are filled, how many elements are filled. So that's why we are going to find the number of the elements. And first of all, that we have to find out how many numbers are in the one dimension. So -5 to 5 -5 plus 1, that is equal to 11. This array contains 11 elements and this is also contain 11 elements. So that is A of 11 by 11 array. This is array of 11 by 11 elements. So first of all, we want to find out A of 00. That's why we are going to find out first of all how to represent this all things. So -5 to 5. Suppose A00 is here and we are going to find out the address of A00. So before that, how many rows are filled up and how many elements are filled up? So here last minus first plus 1, by using this equation we are going to find out how many rows are filled up. Here is suppose 0 and before 0 we have the -1 and first we have -5. So -5 to 1, there is 5 elements, that is equal to number of the rows, and 5 rows are filled up. So finding the finding the address of the A00. So address of A00 is equal to base address plus I into n plus j into w. This is our equation to finding address of two-dimensional arrays. So base address is 1000, I we find out 5 and equal to 11 and j equal to 5. J equal to 5 and into 2 bytes. So the answer is 1120. This is the address of this element. 1120 is the address of A00 element. This is a sum of finding the address of two-dimensional array. Hope you all understand everything. Stay connected. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.